You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Okay, let's learn how to pronounce correctly once and for all this surprising, curious, intriguing, confusing word. It comes from French. In French it means a chair. This is French for chair. In English, historically it means a horse-drawn carriage, and in the US specifically, it's short for a chaise longue or chaise lounge. I've got a video on how to pronounce this better than I've just did. The French pronunciation is chaise, chaise, and it means chair again. In English, however, it's pronounced as chaise. Okay, CH is pronounced like SH because it's French, so it's not ch, it's sh. Chaise, with a Z sound at the end, or a Z sound. Chaise is how to pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.